Hey guys, welcome to Compound Body once again today. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the barbell ab roller. So you can use just a regular roller, or if you don't have one and you decide you don't want to purchase one, you could definitely use the barbell. So this exercise is very easy to do if you do it correctly. It's a great exercise for people who are sports related, or just people in general who really want to stretch the abdominal muscles and just to help contract them maximally, and just to be in an unorthodox position where you can engage and gain strength. So with this exercise, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be on our knees. So I've gotten a little bit of a padding here just so it's easier on my knees. You could do it without a padding, that's up to you. And then what we're basically going to be doing is when we roll out, what we want to do, so these are like key things that you need to pay attention to. Once you're in motion like this, you engage, you need to drop the pelvic area like inwards, right? So a lot of people, when they're doing it, they're like a little bit out like this, but what you want to do is to engage as if you're in a plank position, and then begin the rollout and stretch as far as you can go. And then when you pull back, it's from the core as opposed to pulling the actual body back, right? So I'll just do that again just so you see. So it's a rollout and then a pull from the core and staying engaged like that, and then you're back out. Alright guys, and thanks for watching our video today. Don't forget to leave your likes and your comments in the comment section. Hit us up with any comments or anything that you want to see next. Also, any exercises or ask your questions. Don't forget to reach out to us on social media or just in the comment section. And you could also visit our website for anything that you want. We have meal plans, training plans. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Alright guys, and we will see you next time. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Boom! All right, guys, eat, sleep, lift, play, and have a great day.